this video tutorial, I will show you how to connect and promote your business on Facebook. If this is your first time to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get video updates when new content is added. Every business needs a Facebook page, be it big business, brand, or homegrown business. If you don't have a business page on Facebook yet, you can follow the video link to create one in the description section of this video. Here we can set up the button which can be connected to your business page. We can click and edit it here. More specifically, we can set up Start Order button for food catering services, Watch Video button for online classes, or we could add Call Now button here where people can click and call us directly. We can add a website URL and confirm by clicking the button on this page. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment and share my video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you find it helpful. Thank you.